5,000 years ago, India gave the world Ayurveda, a science of life that has guided health and well being ever since. Rooted in texts like Charaka and Sushruta Samhita, it taught the balance of body, mind, and spirit long before modern medicine. With nature as its foundation, Ayurveda drew from herbs, roots, fruits, and stems, creating remedies that promised purity and healing. From the legend of the Sanjeevani booty that saved Lord Lakshman to today, this wisdom has continually evolved. Now backed by research, modern formulations, and daily wellness practices, Ayurveda fits seamlessly into contemporary life. And at Nisarga Herbs, we draw from this innate power of Ayurveda, harnessing nature's wisdom to nurture wellness in today's world.